Thank you for your interest in High School Math Live classes. My name is Brenda Barnett, and I'm the founder of High School Math Live, and I hope that we can be a help to your family as you move through your high school math education. It would be my honor to be a part of your family's math education and to help you to make that more excellent and more smooth in your home. We have excellent teachers with High School Math Live. Many of our teachers have taught with us in previous years, and those teachers have a link to a class recording of an actual class. You can find those on the Meet the Teacher page. Just click the red links on the website with their name beside it, and you'll go to their Meet the Teacher page and find out more about them, as well as be able to see a link on the website. But we do have several new teachers joining us this year. They haven't taught with our technology, so we don't have a recording for them. But I will tell you that our new teachers are highly qualified, passionate, professional. I'm so very excited to work with them. So even if you don't have an example for them, then you can know that you're going to have an excellent situation when you're working with these teachers. I couldn't be more pleased to have the team around me that I have. All of the classes at High School Math Live are recorded, just like this one. Students can watch it later anytime they need to see more information, or if they've missed a class, they can watch it if they've been absent. All of our classes are very interactive. The interaction between the teacher and the students takes time in class. So if you do watch a class recording, you'll notice that there's pauses when a teacher is waiting for students to respond. The students generally respond with private chats, and so that goes straight to the teacher, and the teacher is able to congratulate them or encourage them or to correct them back with a private chat. We generally do encouragements out loud and private chats for challenges or corrections. And you'll notice in the earlier grades, if you watch a younger student recording, we stop and wait and require interaction. As the students move to the upper grades, we allow them to be a little bit more responsible for their own behavior in class and their own choices and responses. We call out for all participation sometimes, but we often just allow students to answer as they're comfortable. And that's part of our idea with high school, as we move them from the younger years when we have a lot of oversight of them to the older years when we expect them to grow into being wise, honest, responsible, mature students, and which includes choosing their behavior during class time and interacting with us as needed. So you'll notice that the younger years have a lot more interaction and more required interaction. The upper years have a little less requirement, certainly plenty of opportunity, but less required to interact. And so I would just say that this recording is a good idea of what your students will see and use for class. This is actually on a notebook that has a link on our class pages that are hidden by the password. So when your student is in a class, they will have the ability to access a page. They will have a link to this notebook. So after class, they can also click and see the notes the teacher has written, everything that they've done during that time. They can see the written notes. They can also go to the recorded class. So we're really utilizing technology to our advantage. It's a fabulous way for our students to have access to what we said and what we wrote and all of the information available to them. As we move more and more into technology-driven education, it's important for them to have access to those things, and they have that with our curriculum and our program. Very, very excited with all that we can offer homeschool families to make it an excellent situation for you, for your student, and to make your high school math journey as smooth as possible. Thank you for considering us. If you have any questions, let us know. I hope that we are able to help you in the coming school year.